Hello, dear students. Today we have uh, we have to learn about the new lesson of your science book, that is reaching the age of adolescence. What is adolescence age, or what is adolescent age? Uh, it is the age. It is the age when when the reproductive organs begin to develop, begin to function, begin to function, and the individual becomes reproductively active. Reproductively active. What does it mean? The age when the reproductive organs begin to function and the individual becomes reproductively active. What does it mean? The humans, if we talk about the humans, because this is the lesson which is concerned with the humans only. If we have small children, for example, there are two children, A and B. They are small, of 4 years age, for example, and or 5 years of age, and these small children, they are kept far apart from you and they are not known to you, some 10 feet or 12 feet or 20 meters away from you, and they are similar in appearance. That means the dress is similar. There is no difference in the dress of these children, and you are supposed to recognize among them who is male and who is female. You would not be able to recognize who is male and who is female from a distance, unless and until you will not see the reproductive organs of these two individuals or of these two children. That means at some stage both male and female, they look alike, they look similar. But after certain age, for example of 20 years age, this is C and D, the age is 20 years, and you are also supposed, again you are asked to recognize among them who is male and who is female, and the dress of both the individuals is same. From 20 meters you can recognize this one is male and this one is female, or this one is male and this one is female. How do you recognize these two? By physical appearance. Physical appearance. That means in first case you could not understand by physical appearance among the children who is male and who is female. But if the age, if we repeat the experiment with the old students, that means 20 years of age or 15 years of age, the two individuals are kept far apart from you, 20 meters or 30 meters, and then you are supposed to recognize which among them who is male and female. You can easily recognize by appearing their body features. How these features get developed in individuals or in humans, and this difference makes the age that is known as adolescence. That means with the help of adolescence we can recognize physically, or we can recognize from a distance whether someone is male or someone is female. There is the adolescence. That means when a student or when an individual is born from his parents, then up to the age of adolescence, or up to the age of 10 or 12, the individual, whether male or female, cannot reproduce. That means he is reproductively inactive. Though the individual, male or female, boy or girl, he or she is reproductively, though he or she may have the reproductive organs, though these individuals can have reproductive organs, but they are reproductively inactive. That means their reproductive organs are not functioning. But when they reach the age of 12 or 10, after that the reproductive organs begin to function. After certain age, after certain period of time, these reproductive organs, they begin to function, so that the individual, boy or girl, it may become reproductively active. Therefore, this age of adolescence, I wrote here that it is the age in which, though the individual who is having adolescence, or who is in age of adolescence, he is reproductively active. That means his reproductive organs are functioning or begin to function. They are developing. They are begin to develop. Thank you. Have a nice day.